Welcome to Ampry. In this video we're going to cover how to install your Ampry pixel on your Wix page. So in Ampry you're going to navigate to the Install Pixel tab. We'll pull up this page here. You're going to go ahead and copy your pixel tab. You're going to navigate to your Wix My Sites. You're going to go ahead and select the site that you would like to add the pixel to. Once that pulls up, you're going to take the action of editing the site. So click on the edit site. It'll pull up your site here. You're going to go up into the settings. And we're going to go to tracking and analytics. Now, this is a new site for us, so you shouldn't have that message there. But what we're going to do is we're going to add a new tool. And it's going to be a custom code, so you're going to click on that. And it's going to pull up another page that looks like this. This is where you're going to go ahead and paste the code. You can name it whatever you'd like. You want the code to load on each page, and you're going to place it in the header, and then you're going to go ahead and click the save button to save your changes. And that's all you need to do to install your the pixel on Wix. Thanks for watching.